Hey everybody, so today I answered an ad on my club Discord. I met a really cool guy who was getting out of the hobby and gave me all of this. This is all vintage stuff from the late 90s and early 2000s. That kit right there, I guess, is really old and never been opened. He told me just get it going and let him know when I'm ready to fly one. And that was all he wanted. Super big thanks to Kelly. Awesome guy. Can't believe he just gave me all of this. Super cool.